I'm Andy Fliss, Director of Sales for Magenta Research. I'm here to introduce you to Voyager today. Voyager is a fiber optic transmission system for video traveling distances up to 18 miles. The system is based on transmitters and receivers, which has been a very successful methodology for Magenta for many years. We have transmitters and receivers that between them we can put a matrix switcher, or we can do point-to-point systems. Voyager's whole core and body are based on these transmitter-receiver pairs. There are three sections to a transmitter and receiver. There's the core, which is where the fiber optic connections take place, and all the firmware and all the magic of the system is held in here. And then there's a video module and an ISA module, which is for serial control and audio, 2 channels of analog audio. But all of Voyager is based on small format pluggable optics. These are SFPs. An SFP is a standard networking product. Optics are consumables. The minute they start working, they start to lose bandwidth. So it makes it very, very easy to manage a system, to handle upgrading. And also, SFPs determine whether or not you're single mode or multi-mode. Our system is entirely compatible with both single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber, which is nice because whatever infrastructure is in place, we can use it. So if you have a need for a single mode infrastructure, just put single mode SFPs in here. Every core has 2 ports to it. A transmitter core, the 2 ports they're both outputs, all right? So it's a DA. So video comes into the video module, audio comes in from the audio module, and out comes a combined signal, which is a TMDS HDMI signal, out of both of these ports as a DA. The system comes with a single SFP in it, but you can use it as a DA, just add another SFP to it. Basically, when you deploy this system, just as a point-to-point environment, you have the ability to daisy chain together. So if I use this as a DA, it comes out to another receiver that looks just like this, with a core, and if there's 2 ports on the core, I come into one side, I can go out the other side to another receiver, and another receiver. We have a 4-port version of this core. So if I come out of my initial transmitter from a single source to a receiver with 4 ports, I can go out of those 4 ports into 4 different 4-port receivers. And 4 different, it's like that old hair commercial, hair shampoo commercial, and so on and so on and so on. You can do that with Voyager, and there's really not much of a limit to it. This is the biggest, the best, the most robust, and the fastest digital video switching and routing system available on the market today. Thank you.